Got started back in about 1938. I think at age 15 I took the bus to Detroit, walked over to the federal building, took the government examination, and I've been on the air ever since. I didn't know what I was hearing, but I was hearing these guys that were talking about all kinds of different things, throwing call letters around, and I found out that those were ham radio operators, and I thought, boy, I don't want to be one of those guys. You get to talk to quite a few interesting people if you're into ham radio. There's no place that you can't contact. I mean, it doesn't make any difference at North Pole, South Pole, Southeast Asia, Africa. They're all there. Maybe it's just as loud as you and I talking to each other. If I didn't have my radio, I wouldn't know what to do. You can't stop it. It gets in your blood.